UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who was on an extensive campaign trail as far as him being one of the star campaigners for the BJP. He too has been taking a jab with the Congress, saying that the Congress party this time will suffer a historic defeat.
इनको तो कैंडिडेट नहीं मिले हैं लड़ने के लिए और कांग्रेस अपने इतिहास में सबसे बड़ी पराजय के लिए तैयार है और मुझे लगता है उसकी पराजय सुनिश्चित है। कांग्रेस की दुर्गति होने वाली है। 2014, 2017, 2019 और 2022 में इन लोगों को, भाई बहन की जोड़ी को, दो लड़कों की जोड़ी को उत्तर प्रदेश ने खारिज किया है। दोनों शहजादे एक बार फिर मोती खाएंगे, क्योंकि अब की बार 400 पार तो विपक्ष की जमानत जब्त हो रही है और मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में प्रचंड बहुमत की सरकार भारतीय जनता पार्टी और एनडीए बनाएगी।
Well, Pragya, coming back to you on that, as far as the star campaigners of the BJP are concerned, they have been saying that BJP has already won in the fourth and the fifth phase. The sixth and the seventh phase will only ensure that the 400 par victory would be the Prachand Bahumat, as we heard from Yogi Adityanath for the NDA.
Well, Amita, the leaders of BJP have been speaking about the third term, and in fact, if you remember, Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself said, while quoting many foreign leaders, saying that they are inviting us ahead of result of Lok Sabha election. That means that they also know that Modi government is coming back to power. And another factor that shows the confidence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government is when Prime Minister said that 125 days plan we are ready with, and obviously when we come back we are going to implement this. The focus will be remaining on technology, youth as well, and there are many regions, many policies that they have envisioned, and 2047 Viksit Bharat campaign has already been launched. So that shows the kind of confidence that Modi government right now has about this polling, in sixth phase of polling, and also now with the seventh phase. If we spoke to Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah yesterday, he said that this seventh phase we will gain as compared to the last time.
Right.
So that is the kind of confidence they're showing, and also they know that the opposition there's no alliance, that's a broken
party. Well, it's a litmus test for both sides as far as the BJP and the NDA aiming for 400 par. Here, when it comes to the opposition, including the Congress, saying that they will be swept away as far as the BJP is concerned, and they often are heard and seen referring to the Prime Minister as the outgoing Prime Minister. Of course, it will be out on the results day, that is the 4th of June.